I told her get her ass up in this bitch. I shovel the pussy straight, dig the ditch. I broke her down like a arithmetic. Like a fly, she all on my shit. I'm sipping lean, so you know I'm bent. And I just popped the loco. Ain't no telling how this night'll go. We fucked off, moving real slow. Is this real? I don't even know. I see real fancy artwork. That's the lace from up under your skirt. I hit that pussy face first. I was the doctor, she played the nurse. Speaking in tongues like she saying a curse. Cause I choke slamming like the Undertaker. We had a match, no holds bar. Cause you jumped off in my damn car. Sledgehammers and steel chairs. She take the beating like Ric Flair. She taking it in the backseat. We ain't left the car, you can feel the heat. Her hand on my fucking flame. I'm beating that pussy out the frame. She love pain. I'm rapping this bitch like she spread her legs in front of a train. Pussy wet like she stood in rain. Left her limp and she need a cane. Explosion, the fucking bang. All in the front seat of the range. I beat the bitch like she owe me change. My boy Donut, he keeping things. Chopper knocking, no helicopter. Flow sick, but I am the doctor. Regenerating like Cell. Piccolo with no monkey tail. That's go hard and I go hard. Lyrics from Cialis. From the back she got a golden arch. Her kitty keep making my dog bark. This is the end, but where to start? Picasso rhymes, I'm a work of art. Threw it in her like a fucking dart. Left her shade like she freezing. And I dove off in her deep end. And I can't swim, so I handle that. I'm slinging this bitch like a cabbage patch. She backing me up like Charlie Batch. I'm trying to win. 500 laps, the shit begins. In the pussy all night. She told my nigga she was a dyke. She straight lie. Made her twist her legs like a bow tie. Now her man mad cause I fucked her better. And we ain't even got from above this leather. She got it good cause I was on the bar. She should've never hopped off in my car.